In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Shopify admin. This is a quick and simple way to make managing your store easier if you prefer using Shopify in a different language. Let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on your profile or store name, usually located at the top right corner. Next, select Manage Account. Inside your account settings, look for the preferred language option. Click on it and Shopify will display a list of available admin languages. Choose the language you want to use for your Shopify admin dashboard. After selecting your preferred language, Shopify will automatically update the admin interface to the new language. This change only affects your Shopify admin dashboard and does not automatically change the language of your storefront. If you also want to change your store's customer-facing language, you'll need to update your theme language settings or use a translation app. For more details, you can visit the official Shopify language settings guide. And that's it! You now know how to change the language on your Shopify admin quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.